Mario, once again, today is Tuesday, December 16, 2025, and I am in the process of rebuilding this particular Bumblebee setup. I was test flying this with this particular frame that I showed in some recent videos, 3D print frame. This is the Bumblebee for 2025 rebuild, revamp with this new frame for direct drive. That's the original Bumblebee with the original frame in 3D printed form. That's the original one behind in, with fiberglass frame, tough landing gear, nylon landing gear. This is all 3D printed here, and it's got quite a bit of hardware there. Uh, just a regular rotor head here, just a very simple rotor head, just the same way I did the original one with a fiberglass fly bar. This one has all 3D printed parts. And so I expanded on that rotor head with a little more complexity uh, and fluidity on the rotor head here. So this actually hit an air conditioning air handler that is outside in my backyard. When I was flying it, I was trying to avoid crashing against it, and I cut on the throttle. I should have just kept the throttle and pulled away, but I cut the throttle, and this came right into the air handler and cracked the rotor head. My blade is still intact. The frame gave out right at that point right there. You can see where it gave out, and it's because I printed this frame not as a with a 25% infill, and not as a solid piece. So back to the drawing board. I also redid the tail end here because the original one did not have provisions for that type of for this type of socket that holds the tail motor. Uh, the tail motor is that one right there, and you can see that's a little tiny 10 gram motor that I use on these helicopters. And so I redid the geometry for this one. I beefed up the tail guard. I redid this motor holder, so now it's got provisions for 1, 2, 3, 4 for the four screws that are supposed to hold this. This before was just holding it on one because I designed this for 3 delta wise. So that's redesigned. This is redesigned. The head is also beefier, a little bit thicker here, so I don't have any issues if it happens to. This was also printed at 25% infill. So the frame is brand new. The landing gear is